morning everybody. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. I know it's been a while, but we're getting in the Duramax. Good old trusty LOY, it's probably gonna be sold. We've been driving the HHR a lot. We got our other truck taken apart. So, pretty much a lot going on. And the trucks have been at Eric's house, so it's been kind of hard to, I got like 3 vehicles here, 4 actually with the new one. If you guys haven't seen, go watch the video on that. But anyways, today we have a lot going on. We're probably gonna go dismount some tires because I sold the old rims. And then yeah, we're gonna carry on with the day and see what it brings. Probably do some cleaning. Probably come back here and take the truck apart a little bit. I don't know. We're just kind of winging it today. I don't really have any motive or anything, so. But welcome back. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys for the love. Channel's been doing great. I'm happy, feeling good. We start school next week, so busy. But hey, we're gonna get it done. So yeah, we'll catch up in a few. Loaded up, ready to go. Alrighty guys, so we made it up to the shop, and yeah, we're probably gonna work on my truck for a little bit. I don't really have anything going on today. The music's playing, so hold on, I gotta pause this. But we got it pretty much apart. Anywho, some stuff that you guys didn't see, we actually came back and I didn't have my camera. I'm really bad at that, by the way. Really bad. But we got the Valley turbo out, the manifolds out. I think what we're gonna work on today is getting the front clip off. Obviously take the hood back off. It's just kind of chilling in here, it's not really on. Take this fender off, kind of get everything disconnected so that way we can pull the cab. That's kind of my game plan for today. Probably clean it out too on the inside. Take some other stuff out, but yeah, shouldn't be too bad of a job. So one of the most important things about doing a build and kind of taking one apart, which it's kind of hard to argument on this one because we're redoing so much, but it's staying organized. So I suggest all of you guys get a bag of some sort. I have these ones. These were like from the military kind of deal. They're like parts bags. Sharpie, label them, everything as you go. You can see here, took out the fuse panel mount. Got it labeled, all the bolts, so we don't lose any, battery tray, or put the bolts back where they belong. We're working on getting this fender off. So far, I'm just kind of trying to free everything up on this side. So we got the battery tray out, the fuse block, which you can see is right here, and a nest of wires. Taking the fuse panel tray out. Got some more bolts back here that we're gonna have to take out, and yeah, we're almost ready to pull this fender off, I believe. Take off my custom shock mount. But after that, should be pretty straightforward. Sorry, I can't talk today. We also got the windshield washer tank out, so lots of stuff going on. Always kind of forgetting where I'm at and stuff, but we're gonna work on getting this fender off. And then next, we're gonna drain the coolant, get the front clip off, hopefully. I don't have AC already from the last time, so not a huge deal. We don't really have to drain it or get it pulled out or whatever, so please be aware of that. If you do end up having to pull your front clip, either pull the condenser down, pull the rest out, or whatever. I'm gonna take it off as a whole because there's nothing in there. So yeah, staying busy, but we're making good progress for just a chill day. Bam, front clip gone. Making some good progress here. It's probably gonna be a wrap for this today. Maybe we'll see. I have to go pick up the tires that I just had dismounted and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up and we'll see what else the day brings. We might be coming back up here to meet up with my buddy Travis, which you guys will see that in a little bit. But at least for the truck, it's gonna wrap up the tear down for today. So we got the wheels and tires, as you guys can see in the back, everything dismounted. We're going to meet up with my buddy Travis right now, and we're gonna have some fun. That's the LOI that had the stuck injectors that we were working on down in San Diego a while back. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but anyways, he drove up here, showed us the truck. We'll see the wheels, because you had to put the wheels on that the red truck used to have. So it'll be cool to see it in action, see what's going on. So we're heading back that way right now, and yeah, catch up with you guys when we get there. So, you remember my buddy Travis? We're gonna film a little video real quick, pretty much doing a burnout. So, yeah, enjoy the show. What in the fuck? That thing's sick or not. Crazy things you see. Anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. Sorry, I'm trying to put the windows up. We figured out that with his tuning, with the Banks tuning, that it's probably defueling really hard on the burnout, so that's probably most of the issue, honestly. But yeah, other than that, fun little day, got some stuff done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys later.